If after months or even years of studying French, you still think, I understand in class, but when a real French person talks, it feels like a completely different language. You are so not alone. As a French teacher, I've seen this happen hundreds of times. People spend hours studying grammar, vocab, doing Duolingo, but the moment they hear fast, real-life French, it's gone. Nothing makes sense. And honestly, it's not because you're bad at French. It's because most lessons don't prepare you for how French is actually spoken. In school or on apps, you hear slow, carefully articulated French. But in real life, we speak fast, we skip sounds, we blend words together. Sometimes we even drop entire words. So if your ears haven't been trained for that, of course it feels impossible. And yes, I'm talking to you, the one who avoids fast French because it feels too hard. But here's the thing, if you keep avoiding it, you will never get better at it. And I don't want that for you. I'm going to show you an easy way to understand spoken French, not based on theory, but on what's worked for real learners just like you. You don't need to study for hours a day. You just need two things: practice and consistency. Practice with real French, the kind people actually speak. No slow French, no textbook dialogues. You need real, messy, everyday French. The kind you've probably been avoiding until now. And consistency, because your brain needs time to adjust. Time to hear the sounds, link them to words, and turn that into meaning. It doesn't happen overnight, but it also doesn't take forever. In just 1 month, you'll start noticing a big difference with the right method. Some of my students make amazing progress in just 4 weeks. And the best part, it only takes 30 minutes a day. Here's my step-by-step method. Step 1. Choose a short audio clip. Keep it between 20 to 60 seconds. That's all you need. Step 2. Listen without subtitles or transcript. If it's a video, don't watch it, just listen. We're training your ears, not your eyes. Close your eyes and focus only on the sounds. Let your brain listen without distractions. Don't pause, don't rewind. Just let the clip play all the way through. The goal here is simple. Try to figure out what they're talking about. Even if you miss a lot, that's okay, totally normal. Now, listen again and again and again. Each time, your brain will pick up a little more. Step 3. Now, go for details. Play the same clip again. Still no subtitles, still not watching the video. The goal in this step is to write down as much as you can, word by word if possible. You can stop and rewind as much as you need. Don't worry if you can't get it all right away. Just focus on catching a little more each time you listen. That's how your ears get sharper. Step 4. Check the transcript. Compare it to your notes. What did you catch? What did you miss? Pay attention to your mistakes. This is where real learning happens. Step 5. Listen and read at the same time. This helps your brain connect the spoken sounds to the written words. You'll start recognizing what French really sounds like, not the slow, perfectly articulated version you hear in class. Step 6. Check the translation. Now see how much you actually understood. Celebrate what you got right and analyze what you got wrong. This is how you get better faster. Step 7. Pick a few key phrases or words you'd like to remember. Choose ones you could actually use in real life. No need to memorize everything, just the most useful bits. At first, you'll still miss a lot. That's completely normal. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. You're training your brain to follow the rhythm, the sounds, and the flow, so it can keep up. That's when French starts to sound clear instead of fast and scary. Even if you feel totally lost in the beginning or think you will never get there, just stick with this method. Show up, do your best each day. And trust me, if you stay consistent, even just 5 days a week, you'll be amazed at how much progress you make in just 30 days. Want to start today? Try my free 25-day French listening challenge. Just one video a day. Yes, just one, because remember, consistency is the key. And yes, you can understand real French, and I'm here to help you do it.